Do you know what it is? Well, this is an Arduino board. Here you can make projects like this, and like this. We're going to be seeing first what is an Arduino and how it is used and what are the features of Arduino, what are the specifications of Arduino, and let us also at the end do a blinking code so that we can understand how the microcontroller works and how we can code an Arduino board. At first, what is an Arduino board? So an Arduino is an open source electronics platform that helps to create and control the electronics projects easily. So it mainly consists of two parts. Alright, so one is the hardware, which is the board itself, and another one is the software. So now let's move on to the hardware. So here in the hardware part, as you can see, so it contains a small microcontroller circuit board that can take input and process them and produce the outputs. For example, it can read data such as sensors, it can also drive motors, it can on buzzers, and we can simply program this by the Arduino IDE by uploading the code to it by using the USB cable. Well, in simple words, it's the brain of the project. So that's the reason why it is used in robotics, home automation systems, IoT projects, and sensor-based systems. So for example, imagine if you want to make an home automation system. So for example, if you want to make an home automation light, then the light sensor gives input to the Arduino, and the Arduino checks if it's dark or light. Then if it is dark, then it turns on the LED. So that's the power of the Arduino, and that's the power of this microcontroller. Mainly, this is the microcontroller. There you can see the type C port from where we can upload the code from the laptop, and another we can see the power jack where if we want to give more power to the Arduino board in order to drive more motors, we can give it. And there you can see the analog pins. Here you can see the analog pins, and at the top you can see the reset pin. Here you can see the digital pins, and you can also see the TX and RX. TX is used to transmit the data and RX is used to receive the data. And also at the down you can see some extra things like 5-volt power supply, 3.3 volts, and ground points. Talk about the specifications and details of the microcontroller. So here the microcontroller being used is Atmega 328P, and the operating voltage is 5 volts, so it runs in 5 volts. So here the digital pins are 14 pins, in which the 6 provide a PWM output, which is the pulse width modulated output. And in that the PWM digital pins are pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, which can be used to control the motors, etc. Next we have the analog input pins, which is 6 pins, which is from A0 to A5, and the DC current of per input output pin, in-out pin, is 20 milliamps, and it has flash memory about 32 kilobytes, in which the 0.5 kilobytes is used by the bootloader, and it has SRAM of 2 KB, it has EEPROM of 1 KB, and it works in the speed of 16 megahertz, and it has an LED built-in pin also, which is the pin number 13. So by which you can see you can program the LED, and you can see the inbuilt LED on and off. Then here we have the type C connection through which we can connect the Arduino board and program it. And we have the reset button, which can be used to reset the Arduino board so that the program runs again from the first. And it uses communication protocols such as UART, I2C, and SPI. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like. And that's all for today. Thank you.